Ah, claro que sí. Construyamos misiones y difundamos nuestra religión entre estos nativos.
Yo, bro, but like, how about the water? How are we going to get water to the missions? The Spanish Aqueduct, or Espada Acequia, was built by Franciscan friars in 1731 in what is now San Antonio, Texas, United States. It was built to supply irrigation water to the lands near Mission San Francisco de la Espada. The aqueduct is located southeast of downtown San Antonio, right next to Mission San Juan. This area is also where the San Antonio River cuts through, which the aqueduct also has an important connection to. Back when it was built, especially large irrigation systems like the Espada were highly necessary in large settlements with hot climates like San Antonio, where water was present but often awkward to get to and to build farms around. The aqueduct stretched for 15 miles, so it's a long, winding strip of water off to the side of the sidewalk. Here are some photos of the aqueduct from the 60s. It's pretty cool to step into a different time and see something that you experienced, something in which you walked next to. In 2023, the National Park Service completed a $290,000 restoration project funded by the Great American Outdoors Act. Crews carefully cleaned the channel, repaired the historic masonry, and restored water flow to preserve this centuries-old structure. While the Espada Aqueduct was originally built for an entirely practical reason, it still is maintained today because of its historical significance to the surrounding missions and former Spanish settlements, as well as the fact that it is the oldest Spanish aqueduct in the US. The aqueduct is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site alongside the other San Antonio missions, which are the only World Heritage Sites in Texas. One of the coolest things about the Espada Aqueduct is that it's actually still working after almost 280 years. It carries water today using the same gravity-fed design built by the Spanish missionaries in the 1700s. The material it was built from also contributed to its lasting, as it's made from hand-cut limestone held together with traditional line mortar instead of modern cement. What's really amazing is how advanced the engineering was for its time. The slope is so precise that water flows smoothly across the arches without pumps or machinery. It's one of the few places in San Antonio where you can literally see centuries old water technology still doing its job, connecting the city's past to its present. The walk along the aqueduct stream is pretty long, and I wouldn't recommend it if you have no water and it's a sunny day. However, after walking for about a mile and a half from the aqueduct, you will stumble upon the Espada Dam. Built around 1745 by Spanish missionaries, it wasn't made to stop water like modern dams. Instead, it was designed to guide the San Antonio River into the Espada Aqueduct. It's made from stacked limestone rocks placed by hand, and the construction has held up for almost 300 years. In fact, minerals in the river actually fuse the stones tighter together over time, making it even stronger. What's really cool is that the dam curves downstream, not upstream like most others, which helps the water flow naturally over it. It's simple, beautiful, and it's still doing what it was built to do centuries ago. There's actually a pretty cool brick by the side of the dam that was built in 1972, telling passerbys not to jump into the top half of the dam. So, what message does the Espada, Acequia, and Aqueduct send? A message it sends is that the technological and architectural advancements they made in the New World were far beyond its time. Being one of the first and only aqueducts in North America, it also shows the control the Spanish had, being able to control the flow of water in the land. With this, it was more than agriculture, it gave them influence over nearby tribes. The Espada Aqueduct and Dam remind us that true innovation doesn't always come from modern technology. When designed with purpose and care, simple creativity and hard work can stand the test of time as well.